Hi there. Have you ever heard of printing? No, not that kind. I mean 3D printing. Let's talk about it. Let's focus specifically on a type of 3D printing called FDM, Fused Deposition Modeling, or also known as FFF, Fused Filament Fabrication. 3D printing is not a formative manufacturing technique which uses heat, compression, tension, shear, or a combination of these forces to form a material into a desired shape. Common formative manufacturing processes are casting and molding. 3D printing is also not a subtractive manufacturing technique, which is the process of taking a solid piece of material and removing from that material until you get your desired shape. FDM, or FFF, is an additive manufacturing technique in which a 3D object is created by a digital code that tells a machine to deposit a material, often a thermoplastic, onto a build plate, one layer at a time, until you get your desired object. Anyone can 3D print with these 8 steps. Step 1. Design. In a program like Fusion 360, you can design a 3D model which digitally describes the geometry of the object. Here's a model I designed for a camera gimbal. If you don't want to use a 3D modeling software, you can find designs for free or for sale on websites like thingiverse.com, cults3d.com, and many more. Here's a wallet design I found for free on thingiverse.com. Step 2. Conversion to STL. You will need to export your design as an STL file, as additive manufacturing machines accept that file type. Step 3. Slicing. Bring your file into a slicer software like Cura. A slicer program will allow you to modify the model by adjusting size, position, and orientation for building. It then slices your model into layers that the 3D printer will print. Step 4. Machine setup. The machine needs to be set to the appropriate settings for your print. Settings include print speed, layer height, nozzle temperature, and many, many more. Step 5. Build. The building process is mostly automated. Load your file into the 3D printer and press go. All you need to do is monitor your printer every once in a while to make sure there are no machine errors. Step 6. Removal. Once the print is finished, the object must be removed from the machine. It's important to be careful while doing this, as the machine works with high temperatures, moving parts, and dangerous materials. Step 7. Post-processing. Post-processing includes such things as removing support materials, cleaning up any sharp edges, assembly, sanding, polishing, painting, etc. Step 8. Application. Your part is ready to use. So now, have fun with the knowledge you now have to do your own 3D printing.